This is our insert for our 63 split window flush mount glass fitting. Okay, this is the insert just sitting on a bench, not in a car. So when you're getting ready to glue this in the car, naturally you're going to prep the back side of this and grind it, get it ready. And the inside opening, you're going to grind it, get it ready. And this part here would be nice to come with somewhat sanded if you want before you put it in. Here's a piece of OEM glass. This is what we designed this opening out of. So this piece of glass is made in here snug. There's plenty of meat left to sand this opening once you've glued it in the car. But when you're putting this in the car, you want to fit it to the car with the insert and the glass to see how it's fitting. Don't just glue the insert in thinking it's going to fit perfect, because it may not. Okay? Always fit something together with the adjoining part that goes with it. OEM glass. It's in there snug. We made it to be snug. We've left plenty of meat here so you can sand this and get your opening exactly the way you want it. This is one piece of aftermarket glass. The original glass was tempered. This is laminated. Piece of laminated glass is two pieces bonded together. It's heated up, put in an oven. There's human error that can happen with these things. So here's our aftermarket glass. It fits basically the same. It's a little tight in that corner. Okay, that's a matter of opening up the corner of the fiberglass. If you need to open up this opening a little bit, there's room to open it. The other thing with laminated glass, you can take it to your local glass company if you want a tighter fit, and they have belt sanders with water that lubricates them that can sand this edge. Or Google it and find out how you can sand the edge yourself. There's other techniques to being able to sand these edges. Can't do it with the tempered glass, but you can do it with laminated glass. So here's another aftermarket piece of glass. It again fits a little bit different. It's kind of tight, but it's a little bit different than our first and second glass. Have no control over the glass. If you prefer to buy it without the glass, we'll sell it to you without the glass. But what we found in our two different manufacturers of our glass, they both seem to work good in my opinion. It's all in how you can manipulate this flange when you put it in. There's 9 ounces of glass in here. That's 32nd of an inch. There's sandable gel coat. You can come in here and sand this edge to get the glass to fit better. Part of the deal is, like anything when you're building a Corvette, is you fit everything together when you're doing it. You can't just take and put a quarter panel on a car without fitting the bumpers to it or the valance. Same token like this. You want to fit this in the car with the glass. You can take that piece of glass, put it in the opening, put a little masking tape around it, and see how it fits. Okay? If you need to shim something to hold it in place, to epoxy it in place, I highly recommend epoxying it. I think the secret is fitting everything before you glue it in. Thanks.